People say AI will replace most jobs. I totally disagree. Nowadays, all the news talk about AI, and if you're in tech, you're not in AI, you feel like you're missing out on something. However, I believe some jobs will never get replaced by AI, and in contrast, some jobs will become even more valuable, get paid even higher salary, and more sought after in the AI revolution. The key is to pick on the winning side of AI, let AI push you to the next level instead of getting replaced. In this video, I'm going to talk about high-paying jobs that will never get replaced by AI and how to future-proof your career to be on the winning side of AI. Make sure to stay until the end of the video where I talk about the most overlooked career in the age of AI. Hey guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, a direct product featured in Forbes. I've helped thousands of people land the dream PM job offer in Mango companies and unicorn startup and continue to get promoted as a future leader. Like and subscribe, check out a new video every Tuesday. First of all, AI is actually moving way faster than what we thought. This is the latest news I read this morning. It blew my mind. And let's read Tony Robbins' AI agent just purchased a robot dog by himself using the money he earned and tried to upload himself into a future form. You can see what Tony just said right here. And Oprah just interviewed another therapist. She had the first therapy session for a human with his AI girlfriend. And people really moving really fast into AI. Is this a very creeping out with goosebumps, just like the creepy movie called Her? You should watch it right here. It's like crazy. And AI technology action is already moving so fast and accelerated, 10 times faster than what we should do. And actually, I believe in the coming 1 or 2 years, everything will be changed if we don't get into the winning side of AI. So now let's identify the type of high-paying jobs that's most valuable in the age of AI and continue to increase your salary. There's 3 key factors we need to consider. Number 1 is the government policy and the macroeconomics. Number 2 is identify the trending industry. Number 3 is identify the right professions inside the trending industry. Let me break down the framework for you one by one. First of all, let's analyze the global policy and the macroeconomics. If you look up the latest government spending in 2026, the government already increased spending in certain industries. That's to say, bigger wave of pushing towards a certain direction. For example, the US government just increased trillions of dollars into defense industry. That's why I have lots of friends in the defense industry. All of a sudden, it's hiring so many people that have so much defense contract because just the government is macroeconomic pushing people towards the defense industry, especially there's so much going on with Russia, US, and different wars going on. More and more money going into those kind of policy-dependent industry. And US government also have new bills in this year. They also invest trillions of dollars and more money into AI and AI infrastructure, as well as data centers and semiconductors to support the acceleration of development of AI data centers. The same policy not just happened in the US, also happened in other countries such as China and European countries. So this is entire macroeconomic government policy wave towards this direction. So if you choose any profession, you need to follow and understand what the entire world is going on. The second thing to consider is join the trending industry. In my case, I think it's called sunrise industry and leave the sunset industry. For example, AI industry, definitely the sunrise industry is growing 37% year over year, and it's like 10x faster growth compared with any other industry in the past couple months. If you're not in AI industry, you can still identify as a sunrise industry. For example, quantum computing is pretty powerful and very trendy. Renewable energy and electrical vehicles is also towards the uptrend. At the same time, myself came from oil gas industry. I understand it's a fundamental of the backbone of the entire country, and somehow our current president still supports those traditional oil gas industry. But I personally don't think it's a sunrise industry. I think it's sunset industry, or at least slowly phasing out, even if government thinks is important at this moment. That's why I left the sunset industry in oil gas and joined the AI industry, which is sunrise industry. However, there's an important reminder I want to tell everybody is that even if you're not currently in also sunrise industry, you don't need to leave your current job. You just need to add additional AI flavor into your current industry and current job and professions, which are going to cover in step number 3. Step number 3 is actually select the right type of professions in any specific industries you're in. By the way, I actually don't believe that everyone needs to join the AI industry, and I'm going to make a second video regarding why people shouldn't join AI industry once it's available, and post right here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to the channel so the new video launch you will see right here. There's 3 key elements in your current role that is going to become high pay, that's going to increase your salary and can never get replaced by AI. Number 1, your current role need to have those leadership element in it. The more leadership element you have, the less likely you will get replaced by AI. Because at the end of the day, we human need to manage and lead a team of other human or other AI agent, not having AI agent leading human, right? Makes sense to you guys. So the only skill set that actually cannot be replaced by AI is a human leadership skills. So therefore, ask you this question: in your current profession, current industry, and are you in the leadership position or not? Are you mastering those important leadership skills such as people leadership skills and public speaking skills? Now, within the leadership professions and within the leadership domain, there are top 3 jobs that I highly recommend everyone to dive into. Number 1 is business owners. Like a business owner, you're a natural people leader. You're managing other people and you're creating businesses to replace other businesses. This is exactly what Jensen Huang said. People will not get replaced by AI. People will get replaced by people who use AI. Businesses will not get replaced by AI. Businesses will be replaced by other businesses who use AI. So therefore, if you are the business owner and AI entrepreneur, you actually the last person getting replaced because they're replacing other people. On top of that, AI product manager is also the most sought leader position that can never get replaced by AI. And currently, many AI PM getting paid $500,000, $900,000. Some of them join OpenAI getting paid over $1.5 million. It's like going crazy right now. The reason for AI product management position is that AI product managers' roles responsibility is to define the future roadmap and identify the right problem to be solved by AI and lead a team of engineers, data scientists, designers build this AI product to replace other businesses or replace other jobs. So without AI product manager, the AI software is going to go rogue. So this profession will continue being high demand and continue to get paid higher and higher. If you don't know what is AI product management, make sure to check out this video where I talk about AI PM explained within 4 minutes. It's going to give you an overview regarding the future career paths of AI PM. I'm going to link it in the description show note as well. The second element in your current job is customer-facing roles responsibilities.
Now, hear me out. You might be, those customer support agent getting replaced by AI.
No, because those customer support agents didn't understand how to leverage the human power to create irresistible hospitality and the customer experience. Now, what is the type of irresistible customer experience that cannot be replaced by AI? You need to pick the profession industry that the customers only trust human. For example, high networks financial advisor. Recently, many of my friends working for Wilmington Investment or JP Morgan investment companies, and their company doing lots of layoffs and restructure, but they're mainly doing restructure for the back end of the offices, building financial models, predicting what stock to purchase. So these can be done by AI or can be leveraged by AI. However, those high net worth financial advisor is one who actually talk to billionaires, millionaires who have $100 million to invest. When people have that much money, they want to talk to human face to face. They want to have dinner party with you. They want to get invited to Mar-a-Lago into private country club with you, who is their high net worth financial advisor. And then those high net worth financial advisors getting paid higher and higher, more and more, because their existing client network is going to refer each other to high net worth financial advisor. And those kind of human network can never be replaced by AI. And there's also another type of jobs that currently robot hasn't catch up, but even if AI had caught up, which is such as plumber, electrician, like AI couldn't do, robot couldn't do, those kind of jobs will continue to become even more expensive to hire, have someone to fix your fossils. Which means Thumbtack and TaskRabbit, those kind of like site, is hiring gig economy workers or those specialized blue collar workers, and this side is gonna get paid even more and also growing faster than we saw before. Third element in your current job is working on high value product and high stake product. For example, the profession called high ticket sales representative. So it is true AI replacing sales rep is only replacing sales rep who selling toothbrush. Those are very entry level commodity product. But For high-stake product, for example, if you are sales rep and selling $1 million contract for IBM to Google, they need real human. And because any kind of error made by AI is going to lose millions of dollars. On top of that, there's also 7 types of decision makers part of decision-making loop. And all of them want to have human interaction to make those big number financial decisions. I can make a video about the 7 types of financial decision makers in go-to-market strategy design. Comment GTM below if you want to make that video. And another example is medical professionals, because they represent a high-stake product. Because any kind of mistakes that doctor make or nurses make gonna lead to people dying or suing hospitals. Many different things could happen. So therefore, those medical professionals will continue to be even more valuable and get paid more. However, those back-end office hospital like automated billing, insurance billing, all of this will get replaced by AI. So therefore, let's move to front end, working with people with high value stake of tasks. Another type of job I believe is going to become even more valuable is teachers and nannies. Why? Because even if nowadays people say, oh, you can use AI help you teach something, but as a parent myself, I have a 2-year-old and 4-year-old, and we also, and currently in Boston, we also see Alpha School coming to Boston, which is a school using AI to teach kids. What I learned is that even in school naming using AI to teach kids, what they're really saying that they want to give students more customized, personalized experience. So all those personalized experience need to provide by real human, because we need to teach our kids not just using AI to cheat. We're teaching kids to have the emotional intelligence. So those kind of human touch is even more important in the age of AI. So right now, literally, I'm all going opposite. I'm cutting off ChatGPT for all the educational or parenting advice. I'm just spending all the time with my kids and make sure they develop emotionally very well so that they can bulletproof themselves when AI raise up in the next 1 or 2 years. Now, here's a bonus session. What type of professions that I believe is super underrated and undiscovered? And the answer is actually AI product management profession. If you look up the hiring trends right now, the number of AI PM jobs doubled and tripled every single year. If you search any product manager job title, the search result will be AI PM jobs. All jobs, all product managers are adding like AI PM jobs and nowadays, and all companies are paying 30% higher salary to hire AI PMs. However, I've talked to many recruiters. They always feel very stressed out that a lot of candidates doesn't have those real AI product management experience, which also lead to a very great opportunity for entry-level people who can actually bypass people with 20 years experience as a traditional product manager. Because regardless, you're fresh graduate or you are traditional PM with 20 years experience, everybody is entry-level AI product manager today. So therefore, frequently those entry-level younger kids is able to land higher paying job offer compared with people who are 40 years old, 50 years old with over like 20 years experience, because those younger kids can gain experience much faster and leverage AI to create better product much faster and better as well. Now, if you want to grow with AI, timing really matters, because the window of joining AI industry and AI adjacent professions is become shorter and shorter. When it's wide open, when everybody joins, it's way easier for you to gain a job in the AI space. But the longer you wait, the higher bar you will reach and the more competitive the job market will be. So therefore, you must take actions, analyze the current industry, current professions to get into the winning side of AI before you're getting replaced. That's also why we designed AI product management bootcamp to give people real-life hands-on experience by building production-level AI product by leading a team of AI engineers, developers, and designers and data scientists, so that we can all walk into an interview with the proof that we already had experience building real-life AI product. If you want to learn more about AI product management bootcamp and become an AI PM, click the link below and download the syllabus. And comment AI below. I'm going to send you the syllabus for AI PM bootcamp and get you a link to book a call with our career advisor to give you a free career strategy session. A lot of people felt overwhelmed and feeling behind in AI because there's new AI tools, new AI models getting launched every single day. I have selected top 5 must-have AI tools that you must master as a product manager so that you can bulletproof your career and without the overwhelm of all other random tools that you don't need to learn, you don't need to master. Watch my next video right here regarding the top 5 AI product tools you must master. If you find out today's video very insightful or inspiring, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. This is Dr. Nancy Lee from PM Accelerator. I'm going to see you in my next video right here.